Today's topic is how to show data in the checkbox list and to filter data in the checkbox list. Now let's design the project. First, drag and drop one checkbox. After this, drag and drop one checkbox list. After this, select this checkbox and type F4, and in the text type here select all, and after this scroll up and make this auto postback mode to true, so the checkbox text changes into select all. Now I will write the code for checking all the item in this checkbox list if I check in this select all. So select this checkbox and type F4 and click on the event and double click on this check change, and I will paste the code for checking all the items in the checkbox list if I check in the checkbox. The first line is for loop for checking, for going through every item in the checkbox list, and the next line is to check the checkbox list according to the condition of the checkbox. If the checkbox is checked, then all the items in the checkbox list will be checked. If the checkbox is unchecked, then all the items in the checkbox list will be unchecked. Now let's write the code for displaying data in the checkbox list. So double click on the show data button. First scroll onto the top and add some namespaces. So using system.data.sql client or SQL client. After this, using system.configuration. These two namespaces are used for connecting SQL Server Database. Now double click on the show data button again, and I will paste the code for displaying data in the checkbox list. In the first line of code is for connecting SQL Server Database. In this double code, I have to write one connection string name. So click on Solution Explorer, double click on web.config file, and just after the configuration tag, add a tag that is connection string, and just after this connection string tag, add another tag that is add then name. You can give any name of your choice. I will give here data underscore connection then connection string. Now let's try to connect the SQL Server Database. So click on the Server Explorer, right click on data connection, then click on add connection, then click on change, and make sure you select this Microsoft SQL Server, then click on server name and select the server name. So select the server name, then change this authentication to SQL Server authentication, and provide the username and password of your SQL Server, and select the database. My database is laboratory database. Then click on test connection, then click on OK, then click on OK, then right click on the connection, then click on properties, then Control A and copy this connection string and paste it over this connection string, and change this password with the password of your SQL Server, that is admin@123, and you have to copy this connection string name and paste it over this double quote. And I am declaring a string SQL and nulling it and opening the SQL connection, and I am using a SQL query. So first let's see my table. My table is test profile, and it has 3 fields: ID, test name, and department. You cannot select 2 or more items. You can select only one field. You cannot select more than one field. So I am selecting test name. I am test name from table. test profile, and I'm declaring SQL command and a SQL reader, data reader, and I am checkbox link and I am clearing the checkbox link item before it is filled with the database data from the database, and I am declaring a while loop, and it will be looping until unless all the data is filled in the checkbox links. So this is the code. Now let's run the project and see whether it works or not. So click on the show data. So data is displayed. So click on select all. So it is selected. Uncheck it is unchecked. Now let's learn how to filter data in the checkbox list. So simply double click on this show data and copy this code. Simply copy this code and double click on this search button and paste it over here. And first let's see my table, and in this we have to type here where clause where, and I have to filter according to the department. So where department equal to and I have to simply type this type F4 and simply copy the ID of this combo drop down and paste it over this plus sign and type here text. So this is the code. Now let's run the project and see whether it works or not. So click on the show data and select change the department and click on search. So only X-ray is displayed. So in this way we filter checkbox list data.